This is a really nice little podcast. Convertible bonds, no journal entries for us at this point in time. If you want to do the journal entries, we can get into that in intermediate accounting. What you really need to know is that some bonds are convertible bonds. This is a feature that is specified in the bond indenture agreement. And this gives the buyers of the bonds, the investors, the option to convert these bonds to common stock, should they wish to, given whatever stipulations are in that agreement. What you need to know at this point in time is that when this happens, the bonds are converted to common stock at the carrying value of the bonds at the time of the conversion. So there are no gains or losses recognized on these transactions when you convert bonds to common stock. The most you would have to know on this is there'd probably be a multiple choice question on are there any gains and losses on these transactions, and the answer is no. Just so you know what they're referring to with carrying value, we've been working with the accounts discount on bonds payable and premium on bonds payable. Those are accounts that go with the bonds payable account. And so the carrying value of any bond and what it would be reported at on the financial statements would be bonds payable face value less any unamortized discount would give you the carrying value. And then for bonds that were issued at a premium, it would be bonds payable plus any unamortized premium on the bonds payable. In other words, you have your you've got your T account for the discount on bonds payable. And so if you had started out with if you had started out with a discount on bonds payable of $2,000 and you had amortized $1,000 of it at this point, that bond payable, if it was our regular old $100,000 bond payable, would be on the books at bond payable $100,000 less the unamortized discount of $1,000, and the carrying value at that point in time would be $99,000. If it were a situation of a premium, you're simply adding whatever the balance is in that account at the time. Okay, so that's it on convertible bonds.